2014, Dunwoody College of Technology celebrated its 100-year anniversary. The college has grown into one of the best and most respected technical institutions of its kind within the United States. A prominent Minneapolis businessman, William Hood Dunwoody, was one of the founding partners of the Washburn-Crosby Company, known today as General Mills. He and his wife Kate were deeply invested in the Twin Cities community and set aside a bulk of their estates, nearly $5 million, for the establishment of a new post-secondary institution to be focused on the skilled trades. The college has remained dedicated to its founder's original core philosophy and intention:
to provide for all time a place where youth without distinction on account of race, color, or religion may learn the useful trades and crafts and thereby fit themselves for the better performance of life's duties.
My name is Alex Wong. I am the director here at Dunwoody College of Technology. I oversee the Advanced Manufacturing Department, which includes machine tool technology, welding, and engineering drafting design, or CAD. My background is in CAD, but I oversee these three areas, which offer both certificate and degree programs, in addition to some other programs that they feed into. So with our hands-on approach to education and the close replication of industry within the school here, our students are ready to work right upon graduation, and some even get jobs even before they graduate.
Industry professionals must utilize the most flexible and adaptable set of tools to complete a variety of tasks for demanding industries, such as medical device, agriculture, automotive and recreational, food production, aerospace and defense, and a cavalcade of other established and emerging markets.
Currently in the technical and manufacturing fields, we're seeing a high demand for students. We're at near 100% placement. Our students will get into a variety of industries. We've got a high mix of different industries here in the Twin Cities area, so everything from your traditional equipment, parts manufacturing, and then specialized area, which do include medical device manufacturing, and also a lot of aerospace up in our area. So the students are seeing a variety of different work, so being prepared for a number of different manufacturing strategies really helps them get placement.
That's why this exceptional College of Technology chooses the more universally used CAM software when teaching their students the technical nuances of CNC programming. Here, they exclusively teach the art of manufacturing using Mastercam.
I'm an instructor here at Dunwoody College of Technology. We have manufacturing programs going back to 1914. We have a reputation and a legacy in this area, but we've been teaching Mastercam here for a long time. One of the things that Mastercam affords me that I don't necessarily get as much of from other softwares is the ability to control tool paths in like a really deep and substantive way. It allows me to demonstrate certain concepts to students that if I didn't have that kind of control, I wouldn't be able to show them. Given Mastercam's market share, this is the software that they're most likely to encounter when they leave school. Again, I'm trying to provide the greatest value that I can to the students. We only get them for 2 short years.
Why do so many manufacturing professionals choose Mastercam as their preferred software? There are many reasons, but maybe one that stands out is the fact that higher learning institutions, such as Dunwoody, choose to teach CNC manufacturing using this particular CAM software. They know, upon graduation, their students are poised, armed and ready, with the skills and abilities needed to begin programming most any CNC machine tool on day one. Knowing how to use Mastercam provides a real advantage toward a more immediate and successful career path.
The other thing that I get from Mastercam that I haven't got as much of out of the handful of other softwares that I've interacted with is support. When I encountered real world issues, I mean, it was Eric, Jesse, and Carl that got me out of a sticky situation. I like that I don't have to worry about if I'm gonna be able to overcome any issue that I encounter.
Mastercam is also dedicated to continuous improvement practices. This is why the software receives a fresh update filled with the latest enhancements and technological advancements each summer without fail. ProtoTek's professional training curriculum is offered to all new and seasoned Mastercam users. Their dedication to excellence in Mastercam training is a vital piece of any user's success track.
And man, just showing a kid a cool little trick is so fun.
This well-respected accredited College of Technology chooses Mastercam to help teach the art of manufacturing. This is how Dunwoody provides each student with the confidence necessary to actively compete in a global movement, to make better parts faster while never being out-machined. Knowing how to use Mastercam can provide that significant advantage. The power behind Mastercam, supported and trained by ProtoTek, helps Dunwoody give each student permission to dream a little bigger. And isn't that what great education should provide? Simply a better shot at making dreams come alive.